You have already learned how to subtract numbers. Do you know that you can solve several word problems which are very similar to the problems which we have in our everyday life using subtraction? So let us see some of the word problems which we can solve using subtraction. But before that, we know that there are many names of subtraction. That is, all the terms like left with, take away, minus, less than, all these mean the same thing, that is subtraction. In fact, not just these, there are several other names for subtraction. So when you read a word problem, words like these indicate that you need to subtract the two given quantities. So over here we have a problem. Ted has 65 shirts. Pat has 42 shirts. How many less shirts does Pat have than Ted? So there are these two boys who have certain number of shirts, and we need to find that how many less shirts does Pat have than Ted. So can you identify the keyword here? Well, the keyword is less than. We need to find the number of shirts less than. So less than is the keyword. So we need to subtract. So in order to find how many less shirts does Pat have than Ted, we need to subtract these two quantities. So let us try and do that. Firstly, we need to write what is given to us. What is given? Ted has 65 shirts. So we need to write number of shirts with Ted is equal to 65. Next, what is given to us? Pat has 42 shirts. So number of shirts with Pat is 42, which is what is given in the question. So we have written what is given. Now the next step is to write what do we need to find. We need to find how many less shirts does Pat have than Ted. So what do we need to find? We need to find the number of shirts that Pat has less than Ted. This is what we need to find. How do we find this? By subtracting these two. And when we subtract, we write the bigger number first. So we always subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So I need to write number of shirts with Ted minus number of shirts with Pat. This is what I have. What is the number of shirts with Ted? The number of shirts with Ted is 65 minus number of shirts with Pat is 42. So this is what we need, 65 minus 42. Now let's subtract these two. 65 minus 42. What is 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is 3. And what is 6 minus 4? 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is equal to 23. This is 23. This is the answer. That is, Pat has 23 shirts less than Ted. So this is what we actually want to find. Now let's come to another word problem. It says a bookshop has 78 pencils. It sold only 43 pencils. How many pencils are left to be sold? So the keyword here is left to be sold. So how many pencils are left? That means when the bookshop had 78 pencils and it sold 43 pencils, that is 43 pencils were taken away. So how many were left? And we know taking away means subtraction. So this word left over here means we need to subtract the given numbers. So let us start with what is given to us. It is given that the bookshop has 78 pencils. So the first statement is number of pencils in the bookshop. How many were there? 78. So 78. What is given next? It sold only 43 pencils. So number of pencils sold by the bookshop is 43. So 43 pencils were sold by the bookshop. Then we need to write, what do we need to find? We need to find how many pencils are left to be sold. So number of pencils left to be sold will be equal to this minus this. That is number of pencils which the bookshop has minus the number of pencils it sold. So the number of pencils in the bookshop minus number of pencils sold. Remember, we need to write this first because we can always subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. So this is a bigger number. So this needs to be written first. This is equal to 78, which is the number of pencils the bookshop has, minus number of pencils sold, which is 43. So this is what we have, 78 minus 43. Let's subtract 78 minus 43. What is 8 minus 3? 8 minus 3 is 5. And what is 7 minus 4? 7 minus 4 is 3. So we get the answer as 35. So there are 35 pencils left to be sold. So the bookshop still has 35 pencils which it can sell or which are left to be sold. So this is how you can solve the word problems. First, you need to write what is given, and then you need to find out what has been asked in the question. So if there are keywords like left, which indicate taking away or which indicate subtraction, then you need to perform subtraction like this. That is, you need to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number to find the answer. So do practice more and more word problems till you are comfortable with it. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.